All right, today we're gonna bring an actual smoke leak detector. Now this machine works with smoke, all right, and they give you actual extra oil to actually drip in here and make sure it evaporates some of the oil so you can see the smoke. It's like a smoke machine, but it's made for car parts and car engines and pretty much checking out any of the floods that are actually leaking. Some of the hoses might be leaking air, and you might be losing out on your traction or maybe your fuel injection or something. So you want to make sure that you cover your base. And I'm not a professional mechanic, but we are going to give this to a professional mechanic to show you how it works. And on top of that, if you ever run out of this type of oil, you can always put baby oil. That's another thing that people do. It works similar to what this function does. All right, they give you pretty much everything. The actual pressure system, all right, extra hose, long hose, so you can actually embed it into a tubing. The hanging tool that you type it in here in the top. It's different types of funnels with the actual system. And also to power it up, you can power it up through the actual battery itself. So you don't have to run any cable anywhere else. Just do it in front of the battery. That's pretty much it, all right? Negative and positive, you set it up. Now, on the actual system itself, you got your lights, power, and then there's a smoke, air mode, smoke mode. That's pretty much it, all right? You got your DC in, smoke outlet, all right? This is where the smoke is going to come out. And oil drain. This is where you have excessive oil. You want to make sure you drain it out too. And this is where you're going to actually pour the actual oil, all right? Close it up. It comes with instructions. It's small. It's ready to hang too. You can hang this in here. It has a little hanger here. So make it easy, portable, easy to use. So if you're a mechanic and you need extra assistance, because sometimes we hear it, but we don't see it, it's best to visualize where the actual smoke's coming from and easy to fix your part.